ever wondered what would occur if you were to dump scorching lava on top of a diamond? Or what the result would be if you tried to crush a hand grenade? Plus, imagine mixing lava with a bottle of Coke. Today, I'll show you some of the most fascinating experiments found online. Let's begin. We all understand that diamond is regarded as the planet's hardest natural material. Slicing or shattering it is incredibly difficult. But picture this: pouring molten lava directly onto a diamond. What would be the outcome? In one video, this exact test is performed. They drizzle liquefied lava over a sizable diamond fragment. Initially, you might think the lava would dissolve the stone, but that's not the case. Upon contact, the diamond didn't fracture or melt in the slightest. The lava simply solidified around it, leaving the diamond completely intact. It's worth noting this was a lab-created synthetic diamond, but even so, the intense heat caused no damage. It's common knowledge that hand grenades are both highly hazardous and remarkably durable, constructed from long-lasting materials. So, what if you subjected one to a hydraulic press? In a clip, someone places a grenade inside such a machine. This is an extremely risky procedure and should never be attempted casually. As the press applies force, it appears the grenade might hold. But once the pressure reaches a critical point, it detonates violently. This clearly isn't an experiment for amateurs. Consider Coca-Cola, a simple beverage. What reaction would you get by pouring lava into it? For a demonstration, blazing lava is dropped into a bottle of Coke. The instant the lava hits the liquid, furious bubbling and steaming occurs, causing the Coke to erupt from the container as if it were boiling over. Once it cooled and was examined, the result was a hardened, bizarre-looking mass. Coins are minted from tough metals. What if you compressed a stack of them with immense force? In an experiment, coins are layered and pressed. Under the hydraulic press, they flatten effortlessly, like sheets of paper. When a spiked attachment is used, the coins are sent flying in all directions. This just goes to show that sufficient pressure will pulverize almost anything. Lava is famously destructive, incinerating anything in its path. But what about glass? In a test, 4 panes of window glass are stacked. When lava is poured on the top pane, it shatters immediately. Each successive layer meets the same fate. However, when the same is done to fire-resistant glass, the initial result is different. It holds. Yet, after sustained heat, the surface begins to melt and eventually cracks under stress, though the inner layer remains protected, proving the strength of specialized safety glass. A hammer, forged from solid metal, is a classic, robust tool. What happens under a hydraulic press? As the machine ramps up to about 130 tons of pressure, the wooden handle is violently expelled from the metal head. It's a dramatic sight to see. In another test, a water-filled oxygen tank is crushed. Initially, it withstands the pressure, but once the force climbs to 150 tons, the tank catastrophically fails and bursts.